Computer science videos here today to show you guys in tutorial 33 how to download your own video on Instagram using your iPhone. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to the iPhone itself, the Instagram application, and now we can go to the iPhone itself, click on Instagram, make sure you're signed into the account, go to your profile, go to a video you wish to download. I will click on the first video, click the three dots, copy the link, go to the iPhone homepage, click on the repost app, and then go to the three lines on the left hand side of your page, search by URL, click on watch it, and then go to the right hand top corner, close. The video has now been downloaded. Go to photos, and here is the video itself. Downloaded, no watermark on screen. Go back to your iPhone homepage. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.